Be hard for Mom to sleep here with all of this noise. It's amazing that you basically can have a space like this completely to yourself. I haven't seen anybody in probably 2 hours. Talking to people that were down in this valley last night, they say about 7 o'clock the mosquitoes come out and you're driven to your tent. It's about 6:30 now, 6:38. It's beautiful. Noticed these wildflowers while I was down there on the rock below doing my water duty. It is a nice spot for water duty, that is for sure. Anyway, signing off for the day.